Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Playing in the Rain stamp set, along with the coordinating raindrops embossing folder. And we're going to be using some of the elements from the designer series paper, Rain or Shine specialty paper. I fussy cut some items out of the paper and die cut some items, okay? So that's what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a thick basic white base here that is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. We have some elements from the designer series paper. I fussy cut this and die cut these with the layering circles dies. Then we have some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Flirty Flamingo is 5 by 3 3/4, and we have 2 of each of those, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna do is do some embossing with our folder. And I just lost it, okay. So we're going to emboss the front of the card base. Yes, we are. We're going to put our folder over the front of our card base. But I want to make sure I get some of these raindrops right on the edge of my paper, because the edge is really where I need it to be. Okay, let me get our plates. We need platform number 1, cutting plate number 3, then our embossing folder and paper, and another cutting plate number 3. Okay, get this lined up. We're just gonna run that through. And I'll stop right there and go back so that we won't put a big deep mark on our card. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Here's our card front all nicely embossed. Next, we are going to get some liquid glue, the multi-purpose liquid glue. And we're going to take one of our basic white pieces and we're going to put glue at the bottom, about 3/4 of the way up. We're going to adhere a strip of designer series paper. This is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut it to 3.5. I might have went up too far with the glue. Then this one is a 1/4 inch, and it looks like I did go up too far, but that's okay. I will take care of that because our glue dries clear, and I'll just let it dry before I stick it on the inside of the card. Okay, and once this sets a little while, we'll cut that off and layer it. Next, we're going to take our other piece of basic white and we're going to stamp on it. So I have here the Flirty Flamingo ink, the classic stamping pad, and we have our sentiment, Rainy Days Are Better With You. And we're going to stamp this at the bottom right-hand corner. And I'm going to try to get this very straight. I'm going to try. There we go. That's all the stamping we need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get this layer matted onto its, Flirty Flamingo mat. The layer that I have for that. I'm going to go ahead and put that on just like that. Okay, this should be dry enough now for us to go ahead and trim. Oh, and I just cut that paper. That'll be all right. We're going to take that, and what we're going to do is put this onto its Flirty Flamingo matte layer. we're going to adhere this to the inside of our card. But before we do, because we got a little too much glue on there, I'm going to take my embossing buddy and just run it over where that glue is, and that will make it non-sticky. Okay, and so now we're going to just go ahead and put this on the inside of our card. Just like this. I love that you can see the embossing on the inside as well. Really nice. Okay. And I think we can go ahead and put this on our front of our card as well. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue on here. And we want to make sure we get a lot of glue because this is going to be adhering to our embossed layer. So you want to make sure you have enough adhesive on there to make sure it sticks in all the places. Ooh, ooh. I'll try to keep that straight. Okay. Okay, see, this is why I wanted the embossing to be on the edges, because you're not going to see much of it on the front. Okay, so now we have a little turtle here. We're going to pop him on with some liquid adhesive. Get his little umbrella handle. I'm going to put him about right there. Just like that. Okay. Then we have our circles here. And I'm going to put these on like this. So I want to put this one down flat. About right here. Let me get some dimensionals because I want to pop up this scalloped circle with the clouds on it. And again, this is cut right from the designer series paper. You want to pop that one up and put it right there. And this one, we're going to lay flat. I'm going to put it right here. Just like that. Then we're going to get our embellishments. So we have the For Everything Fancy sequins. These come in a pack of 3, so you get pink, blue, and green. And we're going to be using the pink. So we have some glue dots here. And again, my glue dots, I tell you guys all the time, I get these straight out of the paper pumpkin kits. And we're going to put some glue dots everywhere we want to put some of our sequins. So I'm going to put one there, one here, and one there. Then I want one here, one there. Thinking I want one more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put 7. Where can I put this one? How about we put it here? Like that. There we go. Okay, that way we can just put our little, what is this called? The sequence right on the glue dots. We don't have to worry about any glue drying. Okay, so let me use the sticky end of my Take Your Pick tool and find us some sequins. Now this sequence has pearls in it, hexagons, glittery little ones with glitter on it. Uh-oh, I lost it. Where did it go? There it is. Stick that there. We have some hexagons. Some regular sequins. Let's see. Oh, they have some tiny little gold ones. Let's put a gold one right there. What I need at the top, I need another pink, don't I? So let's put this one right there. And we can put a clear one there. They have so much shimmer in it. Do I want to? Yeah, I'll do the small one that's kind of clearish. Uh-oh. Okay. So this is our card done. What do you think? I like it. Now, I have made this card previously, and I didn't like the way I arranged it. Let me show you. This is what I did previously, and I used one of the turtles that I had cut off of the side of the designer series paper, so I pushed it all the way to the edge there. But I didn't like the way I set this up. It was too heavy on this side of the card. I wanted more balance. So what do you think? Which one do you like better? This is the one we did today. This is my first one I prepared off camera. The inside is a little different. But this is it, you guys. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.